I worked full-time. I was a social coordinator for a lot of things that we did. I was the one who took care of all the bills, took care of all the groceries, dropped the kids off at the sitters, picked them up from the sitters after I was on work. I ran the household. In 2002, I was T-boned. I guess the truck was down the gully, so therefore I didn't see him. He came up and he T-boned me. I was in a coma. If and when I ever woke up, they talked about putting me in a home. Couldn't walk. I was in a wheelchair. I didn't know who a lot of people were when they came into the room to see me. At the time, I had a 2-year-old and a 4-year-old who just started school. I couldn't drive. I couldn't take care of my family. I couldn't do anything on my own. There was always someone there at the house with me because I couldn't be, my balance was off, my gait was off. I could not do anything as an individual mom. Brain injury was the main part that the accident caused, otherwise in my broken pelvis. And then at this point in time, I think is when my husband decided that he better contact who we need to for the accident. Siskinds was given to us by a friend of ours for the name, and Doug Bryce has done very good for us. Doug stuck with it for a lot of years because the insurance was just procrastinating. Whether they were waiting for me to get better, whether they were waiting for me to say, okay, that's it, enough is enough, we're not gonna wait anymore. But insurance didn't want to pay everything out. They didn't want to pay out the full amount. So Doug stuck with it, and sure enough, they paid out. Anytime there was ever a problem, I would always call Siskinds, and I'd talk to Mary Ann generally first. If Doug was unavailable, she would leave a message for Doug, and he always got back to me, always. Because of the good experience I had with Siskinds and Doug Bryce, if it wasn't for the fact that they pushed the insurance to fully settle and to give me the benefits that I needed, I would not be where I am today. Today, I'm a mother of 2 boys I can take care of on my own. I am a woman and a wife who can do things within my house without necessarily having someone else to do it for me. I just have to take my time to do things, and I do work a part-time job. It wasn't just me that Siskinds helped. It was my siblings, my parents, my in-laws, my sister-in-laws. Siskinds is a law firm that works for you because he came right to the house, he delivered what he had to, any news that he had to, any questions he had, he could see. He could see for himself. Very pleased with the fact that he stuck to it and he helped us. He is still Doug. He is still very easygoing. He's easy to talk to. If I had an issue, I could still pick up the phone and call him without a problem. Oh yes, I would recommend Siskinds in a heartbeat.